Millions of high school and college kids make sneaking into bars to buy beer a rite of passage. But if you are anywhere near the Mitchell Dam Bar in Iowa and you want a beer, you better think twice and find a better way to prove you're a grown-up, because you may wind up in court. That's right. The bar owners recently filed a lawsuit against an underage drinker. He was caught in the bar with a beer. And as CourtTV's Sheila Steinbeck reports, the 20-year-old college student is now getting a crash course on liquor laws.
If you're under 21 and you want to purchase alcohol, you're not welcome. You can go somewhere else.
The warning to underage drinkers is clear on the exterior of the Mitchell Dam Bar. But last July, a sheriff's deputy caught a 20-year-old college student with a beer in his possession. He claims a bar worker sold the beer to him. After the bar received a citation, one of its owners, Stan Walk, said he had to take action.
We were able to convince the assistant county attorney that we felt there was too many discrepancies, and he agreed, and he dropped the charges.
So now Walk and his partners are suing the student for $2,500. He says he's doing it to punish the man for jeopardizing his business and liquor license.
Individuals have no idea what kind of jeopardy they're placing us in.
Walk says the minor pleaded guilty to underage possession and falsely identifying himself to police. Charges the bartender accused of serving the drink insists are nothing more than a slap on the wrist.
That's peanuts. It doesn't even compare. It's not even a drop in the bucket.
The bartender had faced a $1,500 fine. As for the deputy that cited him, neither he nor Walk harbor any hard feelings.
They got a job to do, and he was being fair about it.
Walk says he's going to appeal. He's going to appeal to one of the big guns in beer sales, Anheuser-Busch. He hopes the company will join his lawsuit to further the fight against underage drinking. And the underage drinker in question tonight declined to answer questions live. He and his attorney also plan to challenge the lawsuit. Tonight with us live in Minneapolis, Stan Walk. Also in Florida, an underage drinker, we'll just call him Graham. And in Chicago, personal injury attorney Ken Moll. To all of you, welcome to Pros and Cons, gentlemen.
Hello, Nancy.
Stan, you have been a bar owner, I think, over 20 years now, and now you're suing a college sophomore. Why?
I think we have to make a statement, and the statement has to be that we do not want underage drinkers. The penalties for underage drinkers is very minor under state law in the state of Iowa, but it's very severe if they are caught in one of our establishments for us, the owners.
Well, aren't you guys supposed to card people when they come in the front door? I always get carded. Everybody I know gets carded if they're 18 or 80.
In major establishments, yes, they normally have bouncers at the front door, but we are a rural establishment, and we don't have anybody sitting at the front door.
Well, I don't think you can get much more rural than Macon, Georgia, and let me tell you, they card you. Kenneth Moll, was that you jumping in?
That's correct.
Go ahead.
Mr. Walk, I mean, the law in Iowa is clear. Any tavern owner who knowingly serves alcohol to a minor or had reasonable cause to believe that the patron is a minor is liable, is guilty. So you've clearly admitted that you're not carding everybody that comes in your door.
We don't card everybody because we do allow minors in our place. But what did happen in this instance, which I believe happened, is that one of his friends slipped him the beer. We did not sell him the beer.
Can I say something?
Sure, jump in, Graham.
How come people drinking in your bar don't wear wristbands if they're drinking?
Oh, Graham, please, I respect the suggestion, but if kids are sneaking into bars, you don't think they're going to swap off wristbands of different colors? Come on, they'll be on sale for 25 cents outside the bar.
They should have a professional staff there that knows what they're doing and can catch that.
Let me make a point. Bar owners are responsible for serving minors if they don't check or have reasonable cause to believe. Now, I don't know, Mr. Walk, there's a book that every tavern owner uses. I mean, not even checking, we don't even get to the book of how to check for forgery. But not checking a minor drinking in your establishment makes you guilty. And I think for you, of all people, filing a lawsuit against the minor for not even having accepted a fine or not even being charged with a fine, I think is ridiculous.
Well, hold on, guys. I want to go back to Graham. Graham, you have spoken up, and now I want to put the hard question to you.
Go ahead.
You sneak into bars. You're underage.
Sure.
You drink. Aren't you worried about the liability of the bar owner? You could put him out of business, buddy.
Hey, that's his problem.
Oh, well, now, there you go, a caring individual. Stan Walk, now I'm starting to get the flavor of your lawsuit.
Listen, if a bartender's going to own a bar, an establishment like that, he should know how to run it and know how to keep underage drinkers out of it. And I know many a bar where me, myself, I can't get into it because it's strict and the bar owner knows what he's doing and he knows how to keep underage drinkers out of there. Apparently, this gentleman from Iowa doesn't know exactly how to do it, and so someone managed to get a drink, and now he's in trouble. Now he's trying to change the blame and put it on the kid.
Stan, are you going to take that lying down?
Not really, no. Iowa, we are basically a community center, and we have people from 5 years old to 85 years old coming in our place, and it's not up to us to babysit.
That's a good way to put it, up to you to babysit. Well, Stan, last question. How far do you plan to take it? This thing must be costing you a bundle.
We're just going to take it to small claims court, and if we win, we win. I think we should win.
And you're representing yourself, right?
Yes, I am.
Well, no big fat lawyer's fees for you. Stan Walk, Kenneth Moll, and Graham, whose last name will remain unknown. Thank you. Gentlemen, we'll follow the case as it progresses. Thanks for being with us tonight.